Hello everybody, my name is Gajdosik and I am an acting and directing major here at JP Catholic, and welcome to the day in the life of. So when we leave this house today at 7:30, we're not gonna be back till around 6:30 or 7:30. So we are going to pack a lunch. I made chili yesterday, so we're gonna have a jar of chili. Alrighty, so we are on our way to our first class. Nicholas, say hi.
Hello.
He is a fellow acting student as well. Tell us where we're off to.
We are off to the school for Movement for the Actor.
I'm gonna take a moment to highlight the tents real quick because we will be inside of that building all day. Just want to give a little appreciation for all the people that will be out in this tent today. We have to come in and get our temp checks from the lovely Miss Katie. Yay! Thank you. We can look at the black box, which we have many classes in, which is why it has a little bit of everything. Alright, so we are currently on break right now, and so we decided that we're going to go to the SLC and see if they have any hot chocolate, because everyone knows running off of sugar is the best thing you can do when you're an actor.
Chocolate is the answer to everything.
Chocolate is the answer to everything. Got our hot chocolate. We have a few minutes to get in. Okay, so class just got out. Now we have to start our shift in the equipment room. Here's the moment you all have been waiting for.
Welcome to the equipment room.
So we finished all of our reservations, so we have decided that we will give you a quick little tour of the equipment room.
Okay, so we have some DSLR cameras, fancy Blackmagic pocket cameras. Got some boom mics down here with recording equipment and headphones, and tons of lenses over here. Here we usually have our battery station. Over here we have a lot of the lights. We normally have some dollies, some indie dollies, so you can like put your camera on a track and have some nice smooth motion shots. And of course our big ol' rack of stingers.
So I got out of work. I quickly ran over to the SLC to heat up my chili, and I had a very pleasant lunch. And now I am back on my way on the grind to fundamentals of post-production. So, no, fundamentals of production. Sorry, I already took post-production. Yeah, we'll get to do more hands-on camera stuff, so. Alright, so we just got out of class and we are now on our way to Smart and Final before our last event of the day, which will be our RA meeting, but I need to pick up what all college students need, which is coffee. There it is. There's Latitude. Hi Latitude. Hi home. Literally Smart and Final has anything you could want. It's honestly a mixture between a Bi-Lo and a Publix and a little bit of a Trader Joe's. Alright, got the club size, so I should be good for like a week. I kid. This should be good for a month maybe. I don't know, coffee's the only thing that we have time to get now. I'll have to come back here tomorrow, but we're off to our RA meeting. We have made it to the destination of the RA meeting.
Let's head on inside.
Shortly after the RA meeting.
So the RA meeting just ended. It went very well, and sorry, I hate stairs and I live on the 4th floor. But I'm very excited to see what this quarter brings. Well, you guys, it's officially the end of my day. It is 10 o'clock, so I will be heading to bed. and I just wanted to thank you all for joining me on my very busy yet usual everyday life here at JP. It was great having you with me. I hope you got the feel of what JP is like. Wish you all a very good night. Hey guys, I'm back. You didn't lose me that fast. Gonna show you what it's like to be on a film shoot. We are currently on film set right now. I, myself, a virtual reality player, will be fighting the one and only fake Mr. Claus.
Hold the gun with your other hand. I like that. Can I see the shot? Yeah, you can. Sure. Alright, cool.
How are you feeling, Maria?
I'm feeling really good, actually. It's been a while since I've done an action. One of my heart is pumping and running in sandals is hard.
Nice!
Yeah, I like that. That's okay. That's the one.
Not to brag or anything, but this is my 49th film shoot, and I'm really happy that I've come this far that now I have an awesome cloak. Film sets never cease here. They with all of the directing classes and jazz, there are film shoots basically every weekend. So hence why I've been on 49 of them.
Okay guys, that's a wrap. Thank you for coming.
Woo! All right, we're all wrapped up now. If you guys enjoyed this, give this video a like and a comment, and give the JP Catholic YouTube account a follow, and just everyone says bye. And when they've all enjoyed it, we hope you have too.
What's up, director? Haley has kindly offered her coffee to me for a sip. That is strong. Oh my gosh. Like grossly. No, it's all right. You put sugar in it, right?
I put, yeah, so sweet.
Chris, do you need coffee?
The lighting. I had like it.